Over the next few minutes, this training, which supplements various FBD installation and service manuals, will cover how to successfully install a frozen beverage dispenser. Turning on the power, water, and CO2. The unit must be properly grounded to avoid possible fatal electrocution or serious injury to the installers and to the operator after installation. Only qualified electricians should perform the electrical installation, and the work must meet all applicable state and city codes. The power cord is provided with a 3-pronged grounded plug. If a 3-hole grounded electrical outlet is not available, you must use an approved method to properly ground the unit. Always disconnect electrical power to the unit to prevent personal injury before attempting any internal maintenance. And remember, only qualified personnel should service the internal components of electrical wiring. FBD machines require a power supply of 215 to 245 volts AC, but the amperage required will vary from 20 to 45, so be sure the proper power supply is provided. The CO2 supply is to be provided by the customer and should have an available pressure of 70 to 72 psi. If a bulk CO2 supply is used, the pressure should be set at 115 to 120 psi, and a secondary regulator must be installed at the unit to reduce the pressure to 70 to 72 psi. As a reminder, CO2 displaces oxygen. Strict attention must be observed to prevent CO2 gas leaks anywhere in the CO2 and frozen drink system. If a CO2 gas leak is suspected, the contaminated area must be properly ventilated before attempting repairs to the leak. Persons exposed to high concentrations of CO2 gas could experience tremors, which could be followed by loss of consciousness and suffocation. It is very important that CO2 gas cylinders should be secured in an upright position with a safety chain to prevent cylinders from falling over and potentially injuring persons or damaging property. If a cylinder valve becomes damaged or broken off, serious injury can result. The syrup supply uses a bag-in-box, or bib. The water supply must have a minimum flowing pressure of 30 psi and a maximum static pressure of 70 psi. At this time, turn on the CO2, the water, and the power. If all instructions have been followed, you have successfully installed your frozen beverage dispenser. Congratulations!
Please take time to review these FBD 560 series critical settings. Following these important settings during the commissioning stage of the installation will ensure a reliable, consistent and quality frozen beverage. It covers the basic ingredient adjustments of electricity, carbon dioxide, water, syrup and then final product adjustments.